Automate file management, organize and clean folders with Python. Is your computer cluttered with messy folders and random files? Let's fix that automatically. Welcome back to Garkar AI and Tech. In this episode, we'll show you how to organize, clean, and manage files using Python. Whether it's sorting photos, moving documents, or deleting junk files, Python can tidy up your digital space in seconds. Here's what we'll cover today. 1. How to scan directories and detect file types. 2. How to move files into organized folders automatically. 3. How to delete duplicates and clear temporary files. You'll walk away with a Python script that can clean your downloads folder. Organize your files by type or date. And help you stay clutter-free forever. Let's automate your digital hygiene.